Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get laser targeted traffic for Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And yes, you can use this for ClickBank, for JVZoo, Warrior Plus, you can even use it for CPA marketing. But it is really important to watch this entire video because in the end of this video, I'm going to give you an important tip. So please watch this video till the end. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. Now, second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. Now, I'm here on Digistore24 marketplace, and because we are talking about affiliate marketing, making money online, what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on internet marketing and e-business. And you need to research all of these products here in order to find the one that you wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Tube Mastery Monetization by Matt Parr. Here you can see I can earn 210 euros per sale, and I actually need to open his sales page to check it out because sales pages are really important and they can make a difference between making no sales and actually making sales. Now this actually doesn't look like a great sales page, but it is a good sales page. And actually I'm going to need his sales page, and you will see in a minute why I'm going to need his sales page. Now, this is important. Many big websites, many big companies, they do not like direct affiliate links. And that means that you actually need to make a bridge page. Now, you can make those bridge pages in Kartra, in ClickFunnels, in Builderall. But for this example, I'm actually going to use System.io. Actually, I already made a bridge page in System.io, as you can see here. Now, this is a simple page. You will, of course, make a better page, but I'm actually going to explain to you what is important about these bridge pages. And actually, you can use a sales page of the product that you're promoting to make your bridge page. So let's go back on the bridge page. Now, these are four really important things about every bridge page. First thing you need to do, you need to add scarcity. You need to say people that this product will run out. So if they don't buy it now, they won't be able to buy it later. That is the first thing. Second thing, you need to have a hook, okay? Something that will hook them to actually buy this product. As you can see here, learn how to make 7 figures on YouTube. And here you need to add a big call to action. As you can see here, join Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. That is really important. You must have a good call to action. And this is a fourth thing. You must have money back guarantee. And actually, Tube Monetization have money back guarantee, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see, 100% money back guarantee. I actually made a screenshot of this and added this on my bridge page, and that is exactly what you need to do. So those are the 4 things that your bridge page must have. So now when you have your product and when you have your bridge page, now you need to start driving traffic to your bridge page. To drive traffic to our bridge page, we are actually going to use Quora. But we will not answer on hundreds of questions on Quora and hope that we will start getting traffic. We are actually going to use Quora Ads. Now, this is my new Quora Ads account that I created for the purpose of this video. So what you need to do, you need to click here on New Campaign in upper right corner to start a new campaign. And here you need to choose campaign name. So let's just say Digi24 for this purpose. And here you need to choose objective: conversions, app install, traffic, awareness, and lead generation. Now, if you ever used Google Ads, Bing Ads, Facebook Ads, you will see that this is really similar, and you will know how to use Quora Ads as well. Now, we are actually promoting Digistore24 product, so we will stick with conversions because we wish to make money with affiliate marketing. Scroll here, conversion event. So I will actually choose generic, okay? And here I can choose daily maximum budget. So let's just say, for example, $50, okay? Begin advertising immediately. That is really important. And then click here on continue to go on next page. Ad set name. Let's just say, for example, test 1, okay? Now, campaign is something else and ad set is something different, okay? Those are not same things. Now you can have one ad campaign, and in that ad campaign you can have 1, 2, 5, 10, 20 ad sets, okay? Just so you can make a difference between ad set and ad campaign. So here you need to choose location. You can choose you can choose country, you can choose cities, zip codes, and so on, regions, and so on. So for example, just say you wish to target United States. United States, okay? And you can add more locations if you want. You can add United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, or some other country like India, Nigeria, and so on and so on. And here you need to choose contextual targeting. Here you can see there is 4 options, but you wish to choose contextual targeting, okay? And here you can choose topics, keywords, or questions. Now for this purpose, we are actually going to stick with topics because we wish to advertise our product, our bridge page, to people who are actually asking these questions and people who are answering on these questions, because that is laser targeted traffic. So here I would type, because I'm promoting Tube Mastery, so I will just type, for example, make money with YouTube. Okay? Wanting and making money, easy way to make money on YouTube, okay? And here you can see related questions. So YouTube monetization, YouTube channels, YouTube videos, YouTube advice, YouTube video advice, and so on and so on. You can add these topics here. Here you can see potential weekly impressions between 6 and 6.5 million, okay? 7 topics, 1 location. And when you scroll here you can choose mobile and desktop. Choose mobile and desktop. Of course, you will test it to see later. Genders, for now I will leave all genders. Exclude questions. No, I don't want to exclude any questions. I don't want to exclude any audience. You will see later I will explain some things related to this, okay? So wait till the end of this video. Placement, all placements. And here you can see ad delivery, and you wish to actually choose optimized for clicks. You can test these other 2 options if you want, but from my experience, best option is optimized for clicks. And here you can see they suggest you to pay 9 cents per click. And let me just go on Google Keyword Planner just to see how much you will pay on Google for Google Ads for the same keyword. So I will go click here, and here I am going to say make money on YouTube. Click here, get started, to see, okay, you would pay from 15 cents all the way to $2.20 per click on Google Ads for the same keyword. And when you go back here, like I said, Quora is actually suggesting you to pay 9 cents per click. But what I would suggest you to actually start with 5 or 6 cents per click. And see, will you get any clicks? If you actually start getting clicks for just 5 or 6 cents, then continue with that price. If not, then simply go back to your campaign and increase on 9 cents. Just click here and that's it. All you have to do now, just click here on continue to go on next step. Ad name, now that is something different between campaign and ad set, because one campaign can have many ad sets, but also one ad set can have many ad names, okay? So I will choose, let's say, for example, test 12. For this example, of course, you will add better names. And here you can choose image ad, text ad, or promote as an answer. Now I wish image ad, so choose here image ad. But like I said, you can choose one of these 3 options. Business name, I will just stick with this Ava site, okay? Now I need to add a headline sentence. Now I already prepared that, and I will copy this, okay? Control C, and I will paste it here. Learn how to make 7 figures on YouTube. That is my headline. And here I need to add a body text, and that is an ad copy. So I already prepared that, and I'm actually going to copy this, Control C, go back here, and I'm going to paste that here. As you can see, this is not your typical course. We provide you with everything you need to be successful. And like I said, you can use their sales page of that product in order to make headline of your ad and also to make your ad copy. But you don't have to do that. You can actually, but you don't have to do that. Like I said, you can use it, but you don't have to do that. And here I need to choose my call to action. Learn more get an app, apply now, book now. I will leave it as a learn more, because here I said learn how to make 7 figures. So I will leave call to action as a learn more. And here I need to choose an image. I can also add a logo. Now click here, choose an image. And this is the image. And here you can see aspect ratio must be 16:9. And this is how my ad will look like. Like I said, I can add a logo and my logo will be here. And here you can see how my ad will look like. This is the image. This is an ad copy. This is my headline. Okay. And here I need to add a link to my bridge page. Like I said, Quora doesn't like direct affiliate links, and that is why you need to make a bridge page. So I will go back here, copy my link to my bridge page, go back here on Quora, and I will paste it here, okay? And I need to delete this, okay? And this is the link to my bridge page. Now you can add tracker URLs if you have them, but you don't really need to do that. Now, after you finish all of this and you are satisfied how your ad copy looks, all you have to do is just click here on continue and then publish your ad, and you will publish your ad on Quora, and Quora will start promoting your ad, and you will start getting laser targeted traffic, because these people on Quora, those are people who have particular problem and they are searching for a solution for their particular problem, and you provided solution for their problem, in this case how to make money on YouTube. Now this is the tip that I promised you in the intro. Now you saw that Quora ads have lots of options, and you need to test all of those options. You need to test conversions, you need to test website traffic, you need to test app installs, you need to test different ad copies, different images, different budgets, different ad delivery. You need to test different headlines, different ad copies. You need to test all of those things in order to find the best option for you, option that is giving best results for you. And I know it takes lots of time, it takes lots of money for those things, but unfortunately that is how this works. That is the only way for you to learn this and to actually start making money. And this is fastest way to make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing, and this is how to get laser targeted traffic for affiliate marketing in general. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.